Welcome back. Kevin's Mobile Repair. Got 2014 Ford Escape with 3.5 motor. Customer states vehicle does not start. So putting my my little battery tester on here. See how you have some volts, there's the radio keeps going on and off, that's why the gauge is twitching. But you can have even 7 volts. The stuff inside works, but when you go to try and start the car, everything shuts down. You can have volts to power up electrical items, headlights, interior lights, all that kind of good stuff, but you need amps to start a car. This is also a big problem that will get addressed. So I'm replacing the battery, and I'm going to clean off all of that nasty corrosion. Corrosion's a big problem. It creates a lot of resistance, therefore makes the system work harder, wears things out faster, basically degrades stuff quicker than what it's supposed to. But this is your prime example right here. Everything on the inside works, all the lights work, everything works, except for when you go to start it, it drops down. I'm going to put a load on this and watch that meter. See, down to absolutely nothing. That's how volts and amps work and stuff on batteries, especially in cars. You need a lot of amps, usually 500 plus, in order to even turn over a starter. So I'm going to replace that battery, clean this off, and we will get this thing started. I'll also show you an update video once all that is nasty right there is cleaned off. Alright, update on our battery issue. So I will not be able to complete this service. This battery terminal end for this side here is so far corroded that I will not be able to put that back on. I did get everything else torn apart and cleaned up very nicely. Oops. So just took all that assembly apart, cleaned up all the terminals, both front and back, got all the nasty off and all that. But he wanted to get a battery terminal end, which is probably going to be a Ford part. I don't know, I'll see what I can find. But see how the metal is corroded. Half of the bottom part right here is missing, so will not have a very good contact on the battery regardless of even putting this one back on and cleaning this up anymore. But that is where we're currently at with that. So I'll see about acquiring that and then reassembling all this and putting everything all back together. But that is why you should clean your battery terminals every once in a while and spray some battery protectant on there so that stuff doesn't grow and cause these kind of issues. But please like and subscribe. Updated, new piece installed. Had the whole assembly, which is awesome. So that's what the new one looks like. Whole lot better. Put some battery protection on there so that way it will not corrode up like that again for this customer.